Hello friends, welcome to Sauparnika Store Home Garden channel. I have in the past discussed with you about various exotic plants, herbs and trees, and I hope the information given was very useful. This time I am before you with all details about a reddish berry fruit bearing deciduous tree that belongs to Salaceae or willow family. The origin of this wild tree grown mainly in the tropical Asia regions for the edible fruits is not known but is believed to be India. These medium-sized fruiting trees with immense culinary and medicinal significance are very commonly found in South Indian states, especially Kerala, where the trees are called as Luvi and the lovely red fruits as Luvikaya. Other names of these fruit plants are Dololica, Rukam, coffee plum, Indian cherry and scramberry. In Sanskrit, these fruits are known widely as Sruvavriksha, while in Hindi they are called as Thalis Patri and Pani Amla. In Tamil, these fruits are called Vayankarai. These wild lowland and mountain range forest fruiting trees are largely found cultivated in the Southeast and East Asian tropical regions. Let us now understand the use of Luvi fruits. These bright red colored fruits have mild sour and tangy taste and they are usually eaten raw or cooked. Fresh berries are used to make tasty chutneys and pickles, while salted and dried fruits are added to cuisines and curries to make them immensely tasteful. Besides this, ripe Luvi fruits are also widely used for making fresh juice, sweet pies, different types of crumbles and tasty jams. Sometimes these fruits are cooked in sugar syrup for delicacy and taste. Salt-dried Luvi fruits are also very often found mixed with other ingredients to make South Indian pickles and curries more tasty and delightful. These are not the only use of little Luvi berry fruits and trees. Luvi trees are enriched with immense medicinal potential and they are said to be used as a very effective traditional herbal medicine. Tender Luvi tree leaves are pretty pinkish. They soon become light green. Leaves contain tannin and are used as a herbal medicine for diarrhea. Even dried leaves are said to be helpful for bronchitis. Luvi tree roots are found to be effective against toothache, while barks are used in Ayurvedic medicine as they have antifungal and antibacterial properties. Report says that the presence of vitamin A and thiamine in these fruits can improve body immune system. Bark of Luvi trees are brown with flaky texture. As I have said earlier, these barks are used as a herbal medicine. Let us have a look over growing Luvi plants and trees. Growing new plant is really not a hectic task. New plants are usually grown from cuttings as seeds take more time to germinate and grow. Plant lovers and cultivators mostly prefer propagation of new plants from cuttings, grafting and air layering methods. For growing from cuttings, we must first find a good variety healthy Luvi fruiting tree and take a stem cutting of about 6 to 8 inches long size. Dip the cut end of stem in a good quality rooting hormone before planting in a pot or container filled with manure-rich potting medium. The ideal potting medium for Luvi plants would be a mixture of biocompost, cow dung and cocoa peat mixed with sand. Pots selected for planting cuttings must have adequate holes at the bottom side to ward off excess water. These pots may be kept in shade as direct exposure of sunlight can burn the cuttings and its tender shoots at the initial stage of growth. For propagation of plants from seeds, good quality fresh seeds must be collected from roots of healthy trees or from a reliable source. These seeds must be soaked well before planting to speed up the germination process. Plant the seeds in potting mixture and keep the pot in shade away from direct sunlight. Seeds generally takes a couple of weeks time to germinate. Water the new plants well and keep them in shade for a few days. Baby plants takes some time to develop roots and tiny leaves. Transplanting to bigger pots or container can be done only when the plants start growing well. Luvi fruit plants grow well in sandy loam soil mixed with high organic matter. These tropical trees love moist but frost-free areas. Luvi tree bark is brown and they have a flaky texture. These trees flourish well in moist soil under open sunny sky. These trees can survive in low temperature for limited periods but totally dislike waterlogged areas. For growing Luvi trees in low temperature regions, extra care must be taken by adding heavy mulch at the tree base to protect roots. Now about fruiting. Luvi trees start yielding in 4 to 5 years time. Initial fruiting may be less, but as the tree attains maturity, they start yielding more. For proper growth and fruiting, feeding is needed. At the growing period, enough bio-rich manure would be ideal. Overfeeding the plant must be always avoided. Flowering of Luvi trees generally starts at the beginning of dry season in tropical climate regions. In temperate regions, these trees are found blooming in spring season. Luvi flowers are small white to whitish green and have fragrance. Male and female flowers are born on separate trees. Identifying plant gender from seeds is not possible. The only way to identify them is from the size of flowers they produce. Though flowers of both male and female trees look alike, the size of male flowers are found comparatively bigger than the female flowers. Male flowers are usually about 30 mm while female flowers are only 15 mm in size. Now let us see the fruit details. Size of Luvi fruits vary between 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters. Flesh of these pretty fruits are crunchy, sour and acidic in taste. These lovely fruits look like wild cherries in bunches. Immature fruits are light green, round and shiny. They gradually change color and become attractive deep red on ripening. Lush green Luvi trees with branches fully covered with attractive bright red fruits gives an awesome look. There are various other uses of Luvi trees. Trunk and branches of old Luvi trees are used for making packing boxes and small furniture items. Now about fruit harvesting and pruning. Harvesting is done when fruits become dark red. After harvesting, fruits are cleaned, sorted and kept in temperature-controlled storerooms before sending out to markets. Pruning is always done to maintain tree height and to keep them in shape. During pruning, all unhealthy and unwanted growth must be cut so that fresh and healthy shoots will come up soon. So these are some important facts about Luvi fruits and trees. Mother Nature has gracefully blessed Luvi trees with a lifespan of about 50 years. It is for us to take proper care of these lovely fruiting trees so that they can happily and peacefully live with us and deliver crunchy fruits and precious herbal medicines. Finally, let us have a look over the problems faced by Luvi tree fruit growers. Like other fruit growers, Luvi fruit growers have their problems. Drought, heavy rain, strong wind, flood and other natural calamities always adversely affect Luvi fruit plants and trees. Besides, there are attacks from birds, squirrels, insects and fungal diseases. Use of effective and recommended eco-friendly insecticides at regular intervals and close observation of trees from time to time can to a great extent save them from these enemies. Before concluding this video, let me thank all my regular viewers for their great support. If new viewers like to see my other videos on plants, please see details given at the end of this video. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the details, please like, share and subscribe Sauparnika Store Home Garden channel. We at Sauparnika Store Home Garden grow exotic plants for online needs of plant lovers. I will be back with details of another exotic plant soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and all dear and near ones. Thank you once again. God bless you and bye.